this entry touched on two of the things that I find most interesting and challenging in user experience work these days. And one is basically what you might call holistic user experience or cross-channel or cross-device user experience, where we have to get out of the habit of working in silos and designing in little hermetically sealed teams for one device and then something else for another device, and start designing for people who might have one screen near them at one time and might have two screens near them at another time, and conceiving of experiences that are broad and then sort of effectuating them or manifesting them appropriately across devices. So I think this was a wonderful example of that. The other thing is that, and just to echo a little bit of what Gary said, is that I love generative user experiences, ones that don't just, it's not simply that the creativity ends when you ship the product, but that you've given tools for creativity into the hands of your users, and they then go make things that maybe you never even conceived of.
Awesome.
Having an experience that you didn't even know that this is the way that this problem should be solved, but once you experience it, it's like, yeah, this is absolutely how we should do it. This is a perfect example of that. So congratulations.
There you go. Some bees and coupons.
Do we have a question for team?
Yeah, so one thing that really kind of struck me about this submission, two things. One is that you've actually been working on this for a very long time. This is a multi-year project, sure. And you also were able to ship this as kind of one of many groups under Adobe, right? Because you're in a special research group, if I recall correctly. Kind of.
It came out of a special.
It came out of a special research group, a special club. So I guess for the people in the room who may go through that experience of working in a large organization, or also who have worked on something for a very, very long time, I mean, what piece of advice would you like to share with your fellow practitioners here tonight?
Fly under the radar. No, I also work on Photoshop. So to try to get something done in Photoshop is very different than actually doing something, a small-scale, research-driven effort like this. Also working in Creative Cloud, like the new CS offering. There's just so much going on, so you can get your hands involved in pretty much everything. And like this project, nobody actually really knew about until it actually got released, which was pretty cool.